Imagine the roller coaster that is the energy market, where every decision can send prices soaring or plummeting. Let's dive into the latest happenings in the energy and utility sector. As discussed exclusively on Dow Jones Newswires at 4:20 a.m. Eastern Time, 12:20 p.m. Eastern Time, and 4:50 p.m. Eastern Time. These are the times when the market's pulse is felt most keenly, and today is no exception. But here's where it gets controversial. The latest market talks have some surprising twists and turns that you won't want to miss. The oil market is in a state of flux, with futures ending the session almost unchanged, but taking a significant hit over the week. This volatility comes as the market grapples with the OPEC Plus decision to boost production by an additional 547,000 barrels per day in September. But that's not all. There's a looming concern about how U.S. import tariffs might dampen global economic growth, and this is the part most people miss. The U.S. has been putting pressure on India to either stop buying Russian oil or face higher tariffs. But this hasn't been enough to boost prices. Why? Because the market is a complex web of supply and demand. And right now, the focus is on OPEC Plus increasing global supplies and the weaker seasonal demand that typically kicks in from August through November. Dennis Kissler of BOK Financial weighs in with some insightful commentary. He notes that if Russian oil flows are restricted, it could drive prices up. However, if the current flow of Russian oil continues, traders will shift their attention back to the increased global supplies and the seasonal demand slump. It's a delicate balance, and one that keeps market watchers on their toes. As of now, WTI is holding steady at $63.88 a barrel, while Brent has inched up by 0.2% to $66.59. But don't let these seemingly small movements fool you. They represent weekly losses of 5.1% and 4.4%, respectively. It's a tough market out there, and every move counts. So what do you think? Will the market stabilize, or are we in for more turbulence? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree with Dennis Kissler's analysis, or do you see things differently? Let's spark a conversation and dive deeper into the complexities of the energy market. After all, understanding the market is half the battle. And your insights could be just what someone else needs to make sense of it all. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, every day is a new chapter in the energy market's ever-unfolding story.